How to activate Wells Fargo debit card. Hi everyone, this is Kate. Welcome back to the channel, and in this video we will learn how we can activate Wells Fargo debit card. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to head over to a browser, open up a new tab, and in the search bar you have to type in wellsfargo.com, then slash, then go for activate card. Press enter in your keyboard. Now you'll land on this kind of interface. Here, you have to sign in into your Wells Fargo online account. So enter your username, password, then click on sign on. Once you sign on, you'll be redirected to the card activation piece. There you have to select your debit card and click on activate option. Then make sure that you follow the on-screen instructions carefully and complete your activation. So that's it. That's how you can activate your Wells Fargo debit card, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.